Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So in the Ethereum chart, we are dealing with a deep pullback in what could still be a B wave. I mean, the price has avoided to break above the August low, just barely. Okay, just barely. The price broke briefly below the 2,400 level, which I cited as key support for this B wave, but we're back above it. So it was not a sustained break. B waves can also go deep, as you probably know if you follow my videos. Sometimes they can even overshoot to the downside, but we're basically back in the price channel, right? So this price channel here that started to develop in 2022 is still holding overall. And this could have just been a deep B wave. So that's one scenario. It's the white count. Very rapid flush, obviously, but still holding a higher low above the August low. And if we now see a clean 1-2 setup to the upside and a break above initial resistance, we could be on our way higher in wave C, but that's not very clear yet. This is still a reasonable expectation. This is still something I'm watching for because the market has not confirmed a breakdown yet. Surely, in the short term, yes, but the main support area is still holding at $2,400. And then there's one more, let's say, alternative I can see potentially unfold. This would be the yellow count here in case, but this support area also isn't really anything I've added to the chart. This was already on the chart, down to 1790 for possibly a wider wave 4, which would be possible in the yellow scenario. In that case, what we've seen from the top in March 24 was just an A wave down, a B wave up, and we're now moving down in a C wave, and then could still do this. So this is also still possible, but that would require one more low to be confirmed, and 1790 would in this case be the next support. Yeah, these are the two scenarios that could still lead to a bullish outcome, but please note that at the moment we don't have a 5-wave move up yet from the low, and we also don't have a break above resistance, which is at $2,908. So this is the resistance that needs to be broken next, right? This is the level that is wave 1 in yellow. So any break of a wave 4 into the wave 1 price region would invalidate a downside impulse, and it's also key resistance. So any break above that would be needed for a first strong indication a low has been established, but it would ideally need to be an impulsive break above. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Benefit of the smaller time frame is to understand the microstructures. There is unfortunately not really much in terms of structure we can identify from the low. There's just not much there because of the rapid up and down. I mean, could this be a 5-wave move? Yes, but it is too small because we're still below resistance. So as I said, it takes a break above $2,910 roughly to indicate a low is in the process. The price would need to hold above micro support, so current micro support for the next pullback. If it happens now, this would be micro support. It's defined between 2,236 and 2,436. So as long as this is holding in the next pullback, the market could move higher, and if it can manage to break above resistance, especially if it forms 5 waves in the process, that would be a good confirmation that wave B is bottomed. The last attempt that Ethereum made to form a 5-wave move up failed as a 3-wave structure that was here after the 27th of January low. And after a 3-wave top, we typically get another low. Now this was quite a fast, rapid decline, but this is essentially what we're watching for and what it is. So the next pullback essentially will be key. If just a 3-wave rally into resistance forms, this could just be a wave 4. So, second. So essentially, as long as we are below 2,910, the risk for a wider 4-5 pattern and one more low is looming. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.